Let's take a look at how to use the SQL logical operator AND. What is the purpose of the logical operator AND? Well, it is used to test for two or more conditions in a statement. When using the AND operator, all conditions must be met for a record to be selected. Now, the AND operator is used with the where clause. So let's take a look at this in practice. So the table that we'll be looking at is the vehicles table. So let's just do a select statement on it. So as you can see, we have 13 rows in this table. So let's say we're interested in seeing vehicles where the model type is Corolla. So we'll add our where clause. Alright, I will execute this. This should actually be model. So as you can see, we have 3 rows returned. Now, say that we're interested in seeing all vehicles with a model type Corolla. However, the cost of the vehicle is greater than or equal to 24,000. So what we'd have to do is we'd have to now use an AND operator and provide the second condition. So we are interested in the cost that's greater than or equal to 24,000. So now as you can see, it had returned 2 records. So the other record did not meet the condition. Alright? So let's take a look at another example. So I'm going to remove this just to look back at the table once more. Alright, so say we are interested in looking at all vehicles that have the color white. Alright, so I'm going to add the where clause, call the color column, now let's execute this. So we're seeing that it returned 4 records, 1 make with a Toyota and the other 3 Honda. Alright, so let's increase this now to say that we are interested in all vehicles that have the color white, but the make is Honda. So we'd add another condition with the AND statement and add the make and say it's equal to Honda. So now we're seeing that only 3 records are remaining because it removed the Toyota. But let's say we want to take it a step further. We are only interested in vehicles that the color is white, the make is Honda, and the model is Civic. So we're going to add another condition by using a second and stating that condition. So we want the model to equal to Civic. So if I execute this, so now we're seeing where the conditions have been met, where the color of the vehicle is white, the make is Honda, and the model is Civic. Say that we're interested though to find a vehicle meeting the criteria, however the cost should be greater than or equal to 23,500. So we're going to add that additional condition and cost greater than or equal to 23,500. We're going to execute, and there's no records returned because nothing has met these following conditions where the color is white, the make is Honda, the model is Civic, and the value of the vehicle is greater than or equal to 23,500. So remember, all conditions when using the AND statement must be met. So let's remove the model from this statement and see what records are returned. So the conditions are when the color of the vehicle is white, the make is Honda, and the cost of the vehicle is greater than or equal to 23,500. So let's execute, and we have two records returned. The color is white, the make is Honda, and the cost is greater than 23,500.